Hello, I'm introducing Welsh Allen's Panoptic ophthalmoscope with an adapter that enables us to clamp an iPhone to it. I shall go through the process of assembling piece at a time. This is the Panoptic ophthalmoscope. I'm going to remove the end that the ophthalmos would normally look through, the comforter for his eye, and the ring, which is a spacer. The next part is to remove a simple washer that is a grip for the comforter for the eye. Now, to start the process, we place the first flange and the washer like so. Gives it some freedom. The next part is the eye clamp with the Manfrotto smart clamp. There are many ways of attaching it. It depends on how you get used to using it. But for me, I like to put it on the table, find a thread, and slowly turn it and take it to a point where it becomes tight, but not too tight. Test it, doesn't move. Now we get the battery, place that in, the patient's eye comforter, and now we take the iPhone, place it slightly to one side, pull out the clamp of the Manfrotto and slip into place. If it's still loose, just tightening up a little bit more. Complete. Or like so. And that you have the power source switched on. You will see in the iPhone an image in focus. And one last thing, one has to adjust the focus here to 0. I'm now going to disassemble and replace it back into its carrying case. You can leave the adapter on. It's more convenient to do that, to take it on and off all the time. There will be an accessory that will enable us to screw that on for the doctor. As you see, the adapter closes inside without any problem to the case.